Hey Vogue, it's Angel, and today I'm going to be showing you my summer makeup routine. If you guys actually thought this was a Vogue video, I am actually honored, thank you, because that's what I was going for. But this is a Vogue inspired YouTube video. I've been wanting to make one of these on my channel for a while, but I never got the chance to. But now that I want to do a makeup routine, I thought this would be the perfect opportunity. I'm currently in Orlando, Florida, because me and my family are taking a little like Disney road trip, and it's been so fun. It's day 2 today. Yeah, we're gonna do my little makeup routine, and I'm just gonna show you guys everything that I use. So first, to prep my skin, I just start off with like my moisturizers. If you want like glowy skin prep is so important. You want to use like lots of moisturizers, especially if you have dry skin like me. I first start off with the Bubble Slam Dunk moisturizer. I had little hair clips to clip my hair back, but I left it at home because I was scared that the airport was gonna take them away for safety. I don't know why. Ever since they took my edge control, I've been so like paranoid that the airport's gonna take away all my stuff. Put a lot of moisturizer on because I have dry skin, so literally this moisturizer will not last if I don't put a lot on. Okay, I'm actually gonna go in with this sunscreen next because this sunscreen kind of leaves a little white cast. It didn't before, but the more I use it, the more I realize like there's a white cast. This is the Bubble Solar Mate. I do like this sunscreen though. I feel like it works, just that you have to blend it in a lot. Okay, after my sunscreen, I'm gonna go in with this Metzmusic Collagen Jelly Cream. Look how satisfying, oh, wait, hold on. Look how satisfying it looks on the inside. It looks like, whoopsies, got some on my iPad. But it looks like actual jelly. We're just gonna use a lid. I'm actually so sad I left those claw clips at home, you guys. I'm just gonna put it behind my ears. I hope y'all aren't getting my double chin ankle. If I go to edit this and I just see double chin. This is a really thick moisturizing cream, so I usually don't need too much of this. I will reapply more sunscreen before I go out to the parks because I am aware that sunscreen is supposed to be your last step. Okay, so I finished putting on all my moisturizers. I don't know if you can tell, but my face is definitely a lot more glowier than when I started. The next thing that I'm going to use is this eyebrow brush, and I'm just going to brush my eyebrows up just like that to prepare them to do them later. The next step is foundation. It is summer, so if you want to skip this step, you can, but you know, the little theme, the little summer foundation everyone's been talking about is the e.l.f. Halo Glow. I've used this since last year, I believe, and it's really good. You just don't want to put too much on because it's really like glowy, you know? But keep in mind that this has very light to medium coverage, so if you want a more fuller coverage, I use the Lab foundation, but you know, it's summer, so I try not to use too much foundation, but this is mostly for like events or like if I'm breaking out a lot. I am going to be taking photos today, so I'm not sure if I want to use this or not. Sometimes I like using them both since this is so shiny to kind of like balance it out. So I think I'm going to use this and then a little teensy bit of this. Yeah. For Halo Glow, I use shade 6 in Tan Deep, and then in Lab, I use shade 460 Medium Deep Warm. This is definitely like my summer shade because when it's not summer, this is really dark. So I'm gonna start off with the foundation first. I'm actually gonna put it on the back of my hand. I only do this when I remember. Sorry, my cousins are in the room right there, so if it's really loud, that's why. But I'm just gonna use this like beauty blender. I don't know if this is actually a beauty blender. I got it from Target, but I'm just gonna pat it. I usually just put it on like my cheeks. I try not to get too close to my smile lines because I have really, how do I say it, noticeable smile lines when I do my makeup because I don't know. If you guys have any tips, hacks, tricks for smile lines, don't get me wrong, I love it. And it's not necessarily like I want to get rid of my smile lines, but I feel like when I do my makeup, it just becomes very visible. You know what I mean? I already tried like putting powder on it and everything. It just don't work. It just creases and just looks really bad. So I feel like it's just best when I leave it alone. But if you guys have any tips on, you know, how to like treat it, I don't know. So I use only a really light amount and I just put it all over my face. Guys, Florida is actually so insanely hot, so I'm probably just gonna sweat this all off. Now we're gonna go in with the e.l.f. Halo Glow. I'm just gonna put it right on my skin. I just like putting a little bit. Whoa, this used to be too dark. Now look at that. Okay, like that, and then I definitely got very much darker yesterday from walking in the parks. Just gonna blend that out. Again, I try not to sorry. I try not to get it too close to my smile lines. I used to blend out my foundation with a brush and then a beauty blender after, but I realized that it's just easier with the beauty blender. And with the beauty blender, I know for sure that everything's like blended out, you know? Okay, so I just finished blending in all my Halo Glow. Am I looking glowy yet? Oh wait, we gotta do brows. We gotta do brows. Okay guys, I'm a little stressed right now because I just realized that I might have lost my wallet. My cousins are saying that it's in the hotel and that they saw it last night. I can't find it. Okay, for brows, there's two things I could use. This LA Color like lip liner thing or this like Merit brow gel. I usually like to like go back and forth between the two. This is not sharpened at all. Like, look at it. I'm gonna brush my eyebrows up again. The Merit brow gel. This eyebrow always looks better than this one, but both of these eyebrows need to be cut and shaped. Like, I used to like shape my eyebrows pretty frequently, but I'm waiting for this brand to send me this like skincare thing so I can film a video on it, but it's taking really long. Or not cut, like trim them. I used to always wish I had thick eyebrows, but then I grew up to realize that like I feel like everyone's eyebrows kind of match their face, you know what I mean? And I feel like if I had thick eyebrows, it might not just match me. I think I'm just gonna leave it like this. Okay, now we're gonna do concealer. I brought 3 of them that I use often. We have the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. This isn't the hydrating one though. I don't know why I have the non-hydrating one when I got dry skin, but definitely the hydrating one. Even if you don't got dry skin, like that one's just better. And then we have the Hourglass one. This is just kind of like the mini size. And then we have the Kosas. I really like my Hourglass. It's really good. To be honest, all 3 of these, I'm still trying to find a concealer that works the best for me. But I think out of all of these, this one works really good for coverage. This one works good for like blending. Like it's easy to blend, but sometimes it creases. Honestly, all of these crease. Every single concealer I ever use creases, but as you can see, like my under eyes are very defined, so finding something that doesn't crease is a struggle, you know? I think no matter what I use, it's gonna crease. So we're gonna start off with the Hourglass concealer. I'm literally running out of it, you guys. Right here. You don't want to put it directly under your under eyes. You don't want to put it like on your eye bags. That's just asking for creases, okay? You want to put it like slightly under. You want to follow like your eye shape. Mine kind of like goes up like this. I feel like with everyone, it just looks better if you put it kind of like slanted up, almost like if you had like cat eyes. And then I'm gonna go in with the Kosas concealer. I put that like kind of like in the middle of these two. I put it on any like light blemishes, and I'm gonna put the health on my mustache. And then for concealer, I just like to let it set. When you wait, it gives it more coverage. And now we wait. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? I usually like to put a little bit of concealer on my eyelids too. I don't know why. I've always done it. Blend out my concealer. I usually use a brush. I'm gonna use this brush. Is that blonde hair? Where did I get blonde hair from? Okay. I usually use the Real Techniques RT something brush. I left it at home. I'm just gonna use this brush that's definitely supposed to be for like eyeshadow. While waiting for it to dry, I'm gonna curl my lashes. This is the lash curler I use. I think I actually got it from like Shein. I usually use this like mini close-up mirror to curl my eyelashes, but I left it at home, so. Okay, now we're gonna take the little brush. I'm gonna start off with the under eye. I'm just gonna gently pat concealer. Sorry, I feel like the lighting is not. It's a really nice Airbnb. I definitely need like a ring light or something. This is all gonna sweat off in like an hour. Okay guys, we finished the concealer. Okay, I'm gonna go straight into setting powder. I use the Laura Mercier. It's kind of dirty right now. And I just use this like triangular powder puff. I don't like putting too much of this on. If you guys want like a very glowy routine, a very glowy base, try to use cream and just like gel based products. Like cream based makeup products. If you can do a cream instead of a powdered blush, or like, you know, just limit powder as much as you can. I need to find me a good pressed powder, but for now we're just gonna use this Laura Mercier. I get like the smallest amount, you guys, and I just put it under my eyes like this. So sorry for all the noise in the background. I don't know what that's all about. I think there's like construction going on outside. For blush, I use this L'Oreal Paris. I think this is supposed to be a lipstick. Found this at the Dollar Tree, instantly bought it. For blush, this is just the perfect shade, and it blends really nice, and it lasts pretty long too. I just use this little brush that I use for my blush. I slowly blend it in. I try to go like upwards. The next thing that we're going to be using or doing is nose contour. I got this palette off Amazon. I think it's by Black Radiance. True Complexion Cream Contour Palette, medium to dark. Here's how it looks on the inside. I usually mix these two shades, and for nose contour, I kind of just like to accentuate the natural shape of my nose. I use kind of like a little angled brush, and I just brush it up like that to kind of make a line. Use that line and bring it up to my eyelids. That's kind of what I do. I just do a line there, and then I do another line right here. So once I do that and kind of like blend it out, I just take a little bit and I just put it at the top of my nose. I'm just gonna do like a little button, a little circle or whatever. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but in the mirror, I definitely see a difference. The next thing that I do is my mascara. So for mascara, these are like my top 3 favorite mascaras. The first one we have is the Lash Princess. I use the orange one, the volumizing one. It's a really good cheap mascara. It's like $4.99, I think. Gives my lashes a lot of length. The only thing is that it gets clumpy very easily. And then we have the Too Faced Better Than Sex. I like this one a lot too. This one I think I got from Sephora. And the last mascara is the Benefit Fan Fest. I like this mascara as well too. I love all of these. I think I'm gonna go with the Lash Princess, you guys. Honestly, I might mix 2 or 3 of them. When I do my mascara, I'm gonna get all up close and personal to you guys, just to show you. Okay, so this is my little mascara hack, I guess. But when I do it, as you can see, like, focus. See how it's kind of like clumpy there? You want it to be all even. So I kind of just go like this on the tube to prevent the clumps. I'm gonna get real close and personal again. I try to only target the tip. I just go like that. I go zig, 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 up. Zig, 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 up. Separating it as well as I go. For me, lash length is very important. My lashes aren't the longest. A lot of people in my family are blessed with very long lashes, but unfortunately, I wasn't born with those genetics, and that's okay. I still feel like I got a lot of the good genes, so I'm not mad at all. We're gonna do the other side, and then I'll probably add on another mascara. If you guys hear like Minecraft music, I think that's Minecraft music in the background. Some of my little cousins are on the Xbox. This lip liner needs to be sharpened. It looks a lot better now. I just use this brown lip liner from LA Colors. Yes, this is the same one I was gonna do my eyebrows with. When I do my lip liner, I don't try to make my lips bigger or smaller. I just follow the natural shape of my lips. Usually, you guys see this little like almost like white line right there, little like highlight line. I usually follow just the top of it. So maybe I am overlining my lips a little bit. And I just blend it in with this. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna use is this lipstick from Merit. This is in shade Ginger. It's their signature lip. I usually don't use lipsticks because they're really pigmented, but this one is just so gorgeous and looks pretty natural. I feel like this angle is just terrible. I also usually use Merit's lip gloss as well, but it's in the little like wallet bag that I lost. Oh, I forgot to do highlight. We're gonna do that, don't worry. But I'm gonna use this lip gloss. This is the MAC Makeup lip gloss. I'm gonna use this one first. There's not really a shade on here. There's just like a pink lip gloss. It's random. I got it from like the beauty supply. Just gonna put it on my lips. For highlighter, I'm gonna use the Milani highlight. This is the shade 3. Sometimes I use a brush, sometimes I use my finger. Today I'm just gonna use my finger. I put it at the tip of my nose and I put some on the bridge like that. Sometimes I put it on the inner corner. Okay, oh, the lighting's a lot better up here. But that is my finished makeup routine, you guys. I really like it. Very cute, very cute. Definitely gonna sweat it all off. Oh wait, I forgot to do one more thing. Where is my setting spray? That's the finished makeup routine, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this Vogue inspired beauty routine video. Hopefully it felt like a little Vogue video. I don't know, I'm manifesting it. Maybe. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Definitely make sure to like and subscribe if you like me and you want to see this face some more. I love you guys so much. Thank you for supporting my channel. We're gonna hit 10K soon, which is crazy. Well, we're at 7K right now, but you know, I have high hopes. I do have high hopes. Comment down below what's your favorite makeup product, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.